Don't mind my roughness and how I look, but come dragging a water thingy and set it up with me, because ours is not working. Oh, I wasn't even recording. I'm kicking it and pushing it like this. Now, this is our old one. Hold on. Okay, now get this thing open. Okay. Right, okay. I'm gonna blow this one side. Now I'm going all for it. I'm just cutting the entire box open. Hold on. There we go. Now we can actually stand it up right. There we go. It looks exactly the same. So good thing is it's on. Bad thing is that this is like the only one that runs. Oh! Okay, got that one. This one's just not deciding to go. This one's running, this one's running, this one's not. And yes, they are all on. They're all on. They're all switched on. So I turn them off, turn them on. Not really working. So hopefully it'll warm up and then they'll just... Oh! They're all running. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Bye! I'm making cookies now. Bye!